Hello, my name is Angela Nicole Brown, and I am a conflict resolution specialist. What I want to do is help you organize your stress. I have raised 8 children, I have several businesses. I know what it is like to be completely overwhelmed and stressed out. 2020 brought an enormous amount of stress into our lives. At some point, you have to say enough. Are you there? Have you said, if I don't catch a break, I am going to dot, dot, dot? Stop, take a deep breath, and take this journey with me. I want to show you how to break down and organize every major stressor in your life so that you can find your peace and your strength and your joy again. Click the link below. Sign up for this web series. Allow me to hold your arms up. I want to help you break it down, handle it, and deal with it once and for all. Click the link below and let's get this work.